pump, ayy, 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 chill, ayy, Lil Pump, chill. Look at my neck shine, look at my wrist shine, chill. My diamond mom make you blind, chill. Let him in 5 at a time.
Alright guys, so we got the bikes all loaded up here. I didn't record us loading the bikes and stuff. I'm recording now just so I could get some loaded up footage. We're somewhere in like Burbank or something. We just stopped to eat real quick and then we're gonna head out to Pismo Beach right now. So see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Hopefully I get a lot of riding clips and this is gonna be lit, guys. Let's get it. Alright, we made it. Now we're just mixing up some fuel to get ready for the morning. Gotta make sure you get that right ratio. Looks like pee-pee. We gotta remove. Gotta get that right. So I put a little bit, my brother put a little bit of 110 in here, and he's using full 110 and a little bit of 91 for his Banshee. Then we got my old fart. Alright, now we're gonna find somewhere to sleep and camp. I don't know yet where. We'll get riding tomorrow morning. Alright guys, we out here. We out here right now, big dog. Pismo Beach, Easter weekend, 2018. I just finished up putting oil in my bike because she's an old girl, so she leaks a little. She has little seeps, but it's fine as long as I keep some nice oil in her. She'll be good to go. Tighten up my intake, ready to go. And yeah, it's just us three. Well, two right now. We're gonna wake up big boy over here. Christian, come on. The bike
before 10 o'clock in the morning.
The bike's not gonna get ready itself.
It's before 10 o'clock in the morning.
We came to come riding, Christian. Alright, so now I'm just gonna get dressed up into my riding gear, warm up the bike, and now from here on we're gonna get some action shots. So we did a little riding earlier. Now what we're gonna do is just grub a little bit
in the back of the truck.
We went out, grabbed some burritos, Red Bull, chill, eat, and then go out riding again. Hey, wait, they're on the limiter. Here we go. Here they come. Here they come. Savage. No, that was first. Second gear bogs out on the line. I gotta hang a shifty now. Which bike was it? I think I got it on footage. Oh. Holy fuck, dude! Dude, no way! Fucking send it! Dude! Oh my god! He's gonna do it again! He's gonna do it again! For sure! I got it on the GoPro! Yeah, dude, both axles are split, dude. That's just flat. I think it has a track in it.
This bike has ever been ridden hard. Wait, so what happened?
The axle was like came out like that, and both wheels were like that. Dude, I was beating that Can-Am. That's crazy.
The tie rod broke or the axle?
The axle, everything. Yeah, the whole everything was gone.
Leave my bike down.
I have gas tank. Dude, I was keeping up with that Can-Am. I was beating it. Alright guys, it's a little late now. Getting the fire started real quick. It's a big one. Alright guys, so I'm probably just gonna chill for a little bit, take a nap, and go back riding tomorrow morning. Wow, that thing sucks. Not that close, bro. He does what he wants, dude. Dude, look at my fenders all crooked, it's funny. Sure doing good though.
Should took on a YFZ 450.
Yep.
Let's go do wheelies in front of the cop.
Nah. We're doing wheelies too. I don't know if I recorded it yet.
The last one I got was pretty good. That shit went pretty far.
Yeah.
Stay gapping.
Got him.
I think you have to stand up.
We insane, nigga. All I see is signs in the fucking crowd. I brought all my homies, who gon' stop us now? Gang, gang.